Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 21, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 21, 2021 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. Three d Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, February 21, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 21, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, February 21, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 21, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.